we're gonna do a little crispy fish taco. I think a lot of people are scared of frying fish at home. So I'm gonna show them how simple it is, really. We have some seasoned flour here, some local Florida genuine red snapper that we're just gonna dredge in flour really quick, and cayenne and a little bit of salt. And then always like to tap that off a little bit. You don't want excess stuff in your tempura. And then you're basically just gonna move it around. And then I'm gonna fry it. And it fries so fast. Look, ta-da! It's the fastest fish taco you're ever gonna eat, Rachel. So now I've got a little slaw here to kind of like counterbalance that, like some of the grease and fattiness of the fried fish, with a little bit of a slaw that has some cabbage, which you can buy just the coleslaw mix from the store, some green onions, some radishes, some lime juice, a little vinegar, because everything's better with vinegar and lime, and then a little bit of sesame seed. And we're gonna give that a quick toss.
Nice touch with the sesame. Love that.
Yes, I love sesame. It adds such a nutty, like yummy note to everything, you know?
So great.
And then we're gonna build this puppy very, very simply with some Sriracha Mayo.
Nice.
The fish, the slaw, and a little lime on the side. Bon appetit.
You know, in Minnesota, we have this thing that we call Minnesota sushi. It is generally ham or sometimes corned beef. They spread it with cream cheese and wrap it around a pickle. It is a staple at pretty much all family gatherings, holidays. So I'm kind of kicking it up a notch. I'm going to do that around a hot dog, mix that with a jalapeno cream cheese, and make what I call a little jalapeno pickle roll dog. I'm going to go. You can take a hot dog, pick whatever your favorite kind of store-bought hot dog is. I like ones with a nice thick casing on them, all beef. So we're going to get those just searing in a pan. If you have the option to do it in a grill, do it on a grill. If you got to boil it in water, but just get your hot dog hot.
I love that you like a natural casing. It gives you a great snap.
Yes, it's that little crunch on it, that it's not just all mush in your mouth. So while that hot dog's getting hot, we're going to need a little cream cheese. And you're going to want to make sure you get like a nice whipped cream cheese so it's spreadable. If you've got to get the brick, leave it out at room temp for a while so it's nice and soft.
Yep. Beautiful.
Add some jalapenos to that diced up. Remove the seeds on that just so it's not overwhelmingly hot. But if you do want something with a little extra kick, feel free to leave the seeds in there and have a nice little spice party in your mouth. Hot dog searing up. Then we're going to take some thick sliced ham. And we're just going to spread this cream cheese and jalapeno mixture right on top of that ham right there.
This is so crazy. I can't even believe I'm seeing this.
I'm telling you, Rachel, you come to any potluck, any Christmas, anything in Minnesota, somebody is bringing a version of a pickle roll-up. I absolutely promise you. We're going to grab some pickles. Definitely want to do dill on this. You want to have that dill flavor, that garlickiness, that crunch. So we're just going to top that cream cheese and jalapeno mixture with some diced up dill pickles. Our hot dog is almost heated all the way through. Then we're going to take this hot dog. It's got some nice color on it, that natural casing, got that nice snap. We're going to set it right in between our little ham and pickle blanket. We're going to twist that around.
Head exploding.
and that is going to sit right inside of our hot dog right there. So, I mean, it is literally a perfect, spicy, cheesy, hammy blanket around a beautifully cooked hot dog. Super fast snack you can make for games, for parties, or if you're just sitting at home watching fast foodies and you need a snack. So
I am down with Minnesota sushi rolls, man. Awesome. Well done, sir. Well done.